Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'll be unboxing the DeepCool AK400 digital CPU cooler. This particular CPU cooler contains a status display which really sets it apart from the competition, and I think it'll be a great addition for this PC build. This is also the last video in the series of unboxings of this PC build, so hopefully you've really enjoyed it and you'll be looking forward to this last video in the series. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so this particular CPU cooler stood out to me because I'd been looking at AIOs and liquid cooling solutions, but they were all quite expensive, and I thought this was a good option because I did really like the displays that they had, but I liked the fact that DeepCool thought to put a display on the fan cooler. So I thought this would be good. The other thing is for the tasks I'll be doing, I personally think this should be more than fine for what I'll be doing in this system for now, but it is great that you can always upgrade it in the future. So let's take a look around the box here. You can see on the front it says AK400 digital CPU cooler with a status display. We've also got the DeepCool logo here and a picture of the product itself. On the top we've just got DeepCool with their little logo there. On the left and right hand sides there's nothing really except this little graphic here. On the bottom there's nothing, and then on the back there's just some very basic information about the product itself, and it says CPU cooler. So we'll get into the unboxing experience here. So what we'll do is I'll get my unboxing knife here and we'll just slide it open, and we'll just continue to peel the plastic packaging off here. There we go. It's coming off nicely. And there we go. So we'll put all that to the side for now. And then we've got the box itself. So now we can presumably slide this off. Oh, there's a little bit of tape on it. So we'll just break that off, slide it off, and then we should be able to access the box. So open the pull tab, lift it open, and then here we go. So we can see the CPU cooler front and center here. Just try and pull it out. It comes quite tightly packaged. Grab on some of the foam here. Nothing else in the box other than that, so we can put that to the side. So we'll just take the foam off and then put it to the side for now. Then we can see the CPU cooler itself, and it's also got a little box of accessories, so we can open this up here. And you can see this is the different mounting brackets and the screws you might need, depending on the processor that you use and the socket. We've also got a little quick start guide here on how to screw it in and how it all works, which is super handy. It gives you guides for both Intel and AMD there. We can put that over to the side for now, and then we can take a closer look at this cooler. So you can see here this plastic is covering up the thermal paste that is pre-applied, which is really great. And we can see the cooler itself. So we've got the fan on front, which is really great. You can see this is where the status display will be. We'll just do a little peel here. There we go. So that's where the status display will be when it's mounted, probably like that, onto the motherboard there. You've got the back, just this sort of metal groove design. And then all around, the main feature here is definitely that display. You can see the cabling here to connect it up. You can see the RGB lights would probably be up the top here and on the bottom. And then obviously the display in the middle. So it'd definitely be interesting to see how this display looks on when it gets plugged in. Just have to be careful there. I did accidentally knock the plastic cover off, which is protecting the thermal paste. So I'll just try and get it back on there as best as possible. Got the little connections that will go into the motherboard to provide this power. And yeah, it should be really good. So Thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Hopefully this was helpful and it's given you a good idea of what the unboxing experience of this DeepCool CPU cooler with the digital status display is like. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a more long-term review of this CPU cooler after I've used it for a little bit, because I'm more than happy to make that if you'd like to see that and how it functions more in real life. And with that, that wraps up the series of my unboxings for this PC build. Hopefully you've really enjoyed it and it's given you some good insight to the different components you could choose to use for your PC build. And definitely also let me know down in the comments below if you would like to see a review of the entire system as a whole, because I'm definitely excited to see how it goes, and I'll be interested to see how this goes with this being my first PC build. Definitely make sure to check out the YouTube playlist of PC builds on my channel if you'd like to see all the other videos in this series, including all of the unboxings. So definitely check that playlist out to see all of the videos from this build all in one place. So hopefully you have really enjoyed this series as a whole, and definitely let me know if you have any questions about PC components and all that, because I'm more than happy to help you out down in the comments below as well. And with that, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.